Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to sync the audio and video using Clipchamp. In order to do so, here we are in Clipchamp. We're at app.clipchamp.com and we have a project open and ready to go. What I have done is imported a file that has both visuals and audio in order to demonstrate. So we have pulled that in. Here, let me show you how that works there. We're just going to drag and drop our file. Now you can see that it's loaded. The next thing we want to do is we want to detach the audio from the video. So to do that, we're going to go over here to the right hand side and we want to make sure that we are on audio in this menu here. Once you do that, then you will see the detach audio button, and if you click that, now you can see, we'll just save that. Now you can see that the audio is detached from the video, and in the case of what we're trying to do here, what we're trying to demonstrate, let's say you have a video file that you brought in, but the audio is misaligned for whatever reason. Maybe it's just over half a second or something like that. And so you need to try to line it up with how it should be. So then what you can do is if you detach that and just move that slightly, you can see now that you can move around your audio file. You can even move around your video file. So you can sync it up how you wish. And once you're done, you can hit export and you can finish exporting your project. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.